Hiya, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this sweet little dog. He suits any colour, but I'll always say the best bet is to make his ears slightly darker so his fringe stands out. All the products we use throughout the tutorial will be in the description box below. We'll start off with his body. Just get a little bit of brown paste and roll it in a cone shape. You shape the legs using a curved tool. You really don't want to go too deep here. So you're just best off pressing slightly to begin with, and then going back over the line you've already carved. I'm going over the lines with a slightly flatter tool to give it more depth. Don't be afraid to get your thumbs in there so that you get the shape that you're after. The two little paws are so easy to do. I prefer rolling a smooth ball in my hands and then sorting out the shape when it's pressed against the body. Oh, just remember to leave enough room for the front legs in the middle. Handy little tip here, when I'm rolling out my paste for my front legs, I don't use my fingers as it ends up leaving an uneven edge. Instead, focus on the rolling into the palms of your hands instead. When doing the paw, just remember to cut diagonal. This allows it to lie flat to the body. To make his legs look more realistic, just add some lines in. I'm bringing the round shape to a point at one end and using the curved tool to get the fur look. Now for the happy tail. Roll, twiddle and add fur. Now the body is finished, we can move on to the dog's head. Take a small round ball and place a cocktail stick in the dog's neck position to secure the head. To obtain the facial features, roll out a tiny sausage, flatten each end and create a groove in the lower middle using the curved tool for the dog's mouth. As you can see, I'm popping the eye in and making two eye dents in the corner to enhance the eye. Now adding the nose, not to be sniffed at, and adding some cute little whiskers. Adding a light pink tongue to lick its proud owner. Hey, listen up! We are adding the ears now and attaching small pieces of sugar paste that are sculpted with the curve tool to get that fur look. To give the dog its own identity, add patch features to its body. To further enhance the dog's features, simply add pink dust to whiskers and body lines. Here we have the sweet little dog. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video. don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.